Hidden away in the lovely community of Timberlane Estates, you will find this charmingly spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom and 2-car garage on manicured, lush, leafy grounds with a private circular drive. The floor plan incorporates over 10 rooms of comfort for you, your family and friends. Plenty of space in the enormous 21 by 16 master bedroom with his or her 7 by 6 walk-in closets, matching 21 by 14 luxurious master bathroom with cable, gas fireplace, jetted tub, sitting area, dual sinks, shower, access to pool area and private courtyard will not disappoint. Other features of this generously proportioned over 3,000 square feet of open plan are lavishly large decorated bedrooms, one with a loft and other with office space, sunken living room area, towering ceilings, cozy kitchen awash with natural light from 3 loft windows and solar tube and formal dining area. The large family room flows effortlessly to the private screen-enclosed lanai and pool area from which you can take a dip or rest in the jacuzzi while admiring the views of the garden and beyond. For your convenience, the kitchen, with triple sink, is set for gas or electric, the fireplace, with pass-through wood storage, is set for wood or gas, private accessible courtyard around side of home, 400 feet deep well, central vac, Florida navel orange fruit tree and backyard, 2 sheds, pool storage and extra large garage. With its warm sense of community, and only moments to shops, eateries, this home provides all the elements for relaxing, comfortable and easy care living.